Indiana makes and moves things better than any state in the nation. In fact, Indiana ranks first in the country for manufacturing growth. Conexus of Indiana has partnered with SUBARU of Indiana Automotive to launch Make Indiana Move to educate and inspire the next generation of talent.
We bring together state, industry, education, philanthropy, and continue to innovate and adopt new technologies, and then also grow the workforce inside the state so advanced manufacturing and logistics can be successful. RHORER
says technology is changing the game in Indiana, and in the coming years will be some of the most sought after careers in the state. SIA Executive Vice President Scott Brand says the new program will help manufacturers overcome these challenges.
We have a workforce that has, in many cases, been resident in this building for as much as 30 years. Those folks are moving on to well-deserved retirements. We want to make sure we have a pipeline of people coming in that not only replace the positions, but maybe bring a little bit of technical savvy that actually enhances our capability to maintain all the high technology.
In Tippecanoe County alone, the advanced manufacturing and logistic industries employ over 18,000 residents. Amanda Raver was attracted to the industry by the prospect of high-tech, well-paying jobs.
I know there's a big industrial revolution that's happening now with technology and automation and artificial intelligence, so harboring talent that is going to have a full career in that time and that, you know, the boom of the industry, I think is really important because they can have lifelong success and really make things better.
Brad RHORER says communities like Lafayette will reap the benefits of this program.
This community is really poised for everything it needs to be successful in this grassroots campaign. We have fantastic local leadership. We have fantastic companies like Subaru. We have unbelievable secondary and post-secondary partners inside the education system. So you bring all that together with some other nonprofits that exist here, and you've got a great community.
In addition to promoting career opportunities, Make Indiana Move will also help talent find options for career development, including industry credentials and college placement. To find out more, visit makeinmove.com. Dave North, Star City News, Lafayette.